Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. When you look around, you see both living and non living things. You must have wondered and asked yourself, what is it that make an organism living, or what is it that an inanimate thing does not have which a living thing has? The answer to this is the presence of the basic unit of life, the cells in all living organisms. All organisms are composed of cells. Some are composed of a single cell and are called unicellular organisms, while other like as composed of many cells are called multicellular organisms. What is a cell? Unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence and performing the essential function of life. Anything less than a complete structure of a cell does not ensure independent living. Hence, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a live cell. Robert Brown later discovered the nucleus. The invention of the microscope and its improvement leading to the electron microscope revealed all the structural detail of the cells. Cell theory. In 1838, Matthew Leiden, a German botanist, examined a large number of plants and observed that all plants are composed of different kinds of cells which form the tissue of the plant. At about the same time, Theodor Swan, 1839, a German zoologist, studied different type of animal cells and reported that cells had a thin outer layer which is today known as the plasma membrane. He also concluded, based on his studies on plant tissue, that the presence of cell wall is a unique character of plant cells. On the basis of this, Swan proposed the hypothesis that the bodies of animals and plants are composed of cells and product of cells. Slyden and Swans together formulated the cell theory. This theory, however, did not explain as to how new cells were formed. Rudolf Virchow (1855) first explained that cells divided and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells, omni cella e cella. He modified the hypothesis of Slyden and Swan to give the cell theory a final shape. Cell theory, as understood today, is all living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cells.